Nothing ruins a binge-watching session faster than your TV suddenly disconnecting from Wi-Fi or streaming apps freezing. But don't panic. This issue is often caused by something small, like network hiccups or minor software errors. I'll walk you through quick, no-stress solutions that don't require any special tools, so you can get back to watching without delay. Let's start with the quick fixes that solve the problem for many TVs. Unplug your TV and your Wi-Fi router or modem from the power socket and leave them unplugged for at least 60 seconds. After that, plug them back in and wait for the internet to fully reconnect. This clears temporary connection errors and refreshes the network, which alone often stops the Wi-Fi from disconnecting. If the issue continues, go into your TV's network settings and select your Wi-Fi network. Choose the option to forget the network, then reconnect by entering the Wi-Fi password again. This forces the TV to create a fresh connection instead of relying on corrupted saved data. While you're in the settings, also check the date and time on your TV. If the time is incorrect, set it to automatic or correct it manually, because an incorrect clock can cause apps and Wi-Fi connections to drop unexpectedly. If these steps are already helping, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more simple fixes like this. Now let's move to a few network setting adjustments that many people overlook. Open your TV's network settings and manually change the DNS to a public option like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. You don't need to understand how DNS works, just know that it can make the connection more stable. Next, check which Wi-Fi band your TV is using. If your router is far away or there are walls in between, connecting to the 2.4 GHz band gives better range. If the router is close to the TV and you want faster speeds, switch to the 5 GHz band. Also, look for settings such as Quick Start, Fast Boot, Eco Mode, or Power Saving Mode and turn them off, because these features can prevent the Wi-Fi from staying connected properly. Next, focus on the area around your TV and router. Wireless devices placed too close, like Bluetooth speakers or cordless phones, can cause interference and weaken the signal. If your TV is far from the router and the signal is weak, using a Wi-Fi extender or a mesh system can greatly improve stability. For the most reliable solution, connecting your TV directly to the router with an Ethernet cable completely avoids wireless problems and is often the best long-term fix. Finally, let's cover a few brand-specific fixes that are known to work. On LG TVs, go into the settings and change the service country to a different location. Then switch it back to your original country to refresh the network system. On Samsung TVs, if you see a message that says connected but no internet, go into the network settings and assign a static IP address to stabilize the connection. For Sony or Android TVs, open the network settings and disable IPv6, as this feature can sometimes cause repeated Wi-Fi disconnections. That's it for this video on fixing a TV that keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi. I hope these simple fixes help you get your TV back online so your apps run smoothly without any interruptions. If this video was helpful, give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more easy, practical tech tips. If one of these solutions worked for you or you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.